job, that you will expect the man that daily deals with issues of this job to know. Because when you talk about law, that's why he exists as officer in charge of our legal activities. The prosecutor's report was first to him before to the commissioner of police. Even while I'm here at the back, there's somebody called my attention to a case from DPP office. She felt something wrong had been done, and there's a need to fix that. So if we don't get the appropriate offices involved in an event of this nature, we may not be getting the kind of result we want. No matter how you want to look at it, no matter how you want to look at it, for this remains the starting point to achieve this. From every angle, we remain the starting point to achieve it. And if we do not get ourselves completely involved in this, if we do not understand our role as per what is being talked about here, then we may be having issues, because the non-custodial aspect of managing this is something that is very important. Me as PRO, I do this and I ensure that happens. I would rather these cases don't even go to the court. Those ones that can be solved, like my Lord, Chief Justice mentioned, restorative justice. Why not we begin to start it? As PRO, I don't believe every case should go to court. It's not even every case that I need to be public by more press release. Because I know we should have solved these things. I've had instances where I'll call the TPO, I'll call an area commander, I'll call the head of the tactical team. I say, for this case, I think it's something you can handle. Let's not be giving so many pressure, because that's why we exist as gatekeepers. When we take it, if we don't see it very well, if we don't handle it very well, it becomes a problem when it gets to the court. Managing it becomes sometimes those cases are lost at that level. So it is something very important. Community are serving as a way of achieving the non-custodial measure to handling cases. It's something that cannot be overemphasized. I'm not going to say so much because I know what has already been said. But I think all of what has been said there will be summarized by the fact that we need a whole lot of government, institutional, and society approach to making this thing work. If the decisions are not working, the government is not doing what it should do. Like so many persons have mentioned about having a framework that should carry this idea, a framework that should make it work and achieve the purpose of which is being established. Then everybody was involved. Sensitization must even happen. Like my Lord, the scriptures rightly pointed out, those cases, most times they get frustrated. As we have been on radio, the person you are is that, and you bring that person, even when you go to court, the next time you see that person back, bring all of those things. We must begin to understand, even those of us that go about prosecuting these cases, the right things should be done. Because it's only when they are done that we begin to get the kind of result we want. We cannot be congested, appraising or custodial facilities until the appropriate knowledge and capacity is built, everybody move down the line, perform those duties that will eventually take that person to where you find him ourselves in the custodial center. It's on that note that on behalf of the commission of this, I want to once again say thank you so much, Captain, for this event. I believe this is just the beginning. Plenty of engagement to happen, sensitization should happen. Members of the public should really understand that something known as community for service to actually punishment by way of managing cases. Many don't know. This is what, like someone also pointed out, it's an in-house meeting. The real people that need this information, if you ask them, they are not here. Me as Commissioner, I need it. The guys that lost the prosecution, the IPO, the leaders of this, they should need this people, they should understand. And I think your major target should be the police, whether you like it or not. Because if you don't get it right at the police level, what the police does, we will be bringing this thing back. That is where the judges, the magistrate will be having challenges handling these issues. They will be looking at the box to one corner. They will be taking decisions that will be very difficult to take because the needful was not done from the word to go. So it's my very humble submission that when we begin to, like I said, go about it and work with government, institutional, and full of government, institutional, and society approach to tackling these issues, the result we are looking for is just where very much about the corner and it will become a reality. Just thank you for having the commission of peace. It's most grateful. I am still very much about I'm taking all of the notes as I go back and when I show you they say we don't fall in here. Let's fix things. They say we don't get here. Let's improve on what has happened. Once again, thank you so much.
We are impressed. with your contribution. Thank you for coming. We love the CJ, yes.